Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this green smoky eye look. It is very easy, so come along with me. So before I go in with any eyeshadow, I'll be using the Zaron black gel liner as a base, and I'm using the BH Cosmetics flat brush to apply this on my lid. Doing that really carefully so that it is easy to blend and I don't make a mess of everything. With a pointed but soft blending brush, I'll be blending out the edges of the black liner I initially applied. I went in again with the gel liner because I wanted more coverage, and I am blending the edges again to create, a seamless transition. You want to ensure that the edges and the corners of the liner that you applied, or the base that you applied, is properly blended. For eyeshadow today, I'll be using the green shades on this palette that I marked, and I'll be placing them on my lid directly on the black gel liner. You want to make sure that you cover up the black color you initially applied with the green eyeshadow as much as possible. It is advised that you be gentle with your application. Place the eyeshadow just the way you want it. And using my MAC Studio Fix powder, I will blend out the corners of the eyeshadow so that there is a beautiful transition. I want to make sure that everything is well blended out. I went back in with the green shade that I showed you earlier, just to get more color payouts on the lid, and following that up with a blend as well. Today I'll be using the Maybelline GG eyeliner to line my eyes. I like this because the tip is precise and it is very easy to maneuver. For my waterline, I'll be going in with my primer kohl pencil, which I will be smudging out with the green shade that I applied on my eyelid, and using the MAC powder to blend out the green shade as well. I'm just recreating what I did on my lid on my waterline. For mascara, I'll be using the Zaron Cosmetics mascara. I love this particular one because it has a small wand and it makes it easier to get into the inner corners of the eyes. And I'm just using that to bring out my lashes just before I fix the false lashes. Trick that works for me when fixing my lashes is to count to 10 when you are holding the lash in place. I'm using a light green shade on the inner corners of my eyes just to brighten them up a bit. And this is what we have, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful and explanatory. Like this video and leave a comment if you learned something, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Jesus loves you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.